interact with the management of Muthoot Microfinance. We have Mr. Sadaf Saeed, the CEO of the company, joining us on the show. Help us understand what the outlook for the microfinance space is and how they're shaping or how they're positioning their company over here. And Mr. Saeed, morning. Thanks for your time today. Help us understand, given the shifting dynamics in the microfinance sector, how is Muthoot Microfinance positioning itself for growth and diversification going ahead?
Yeah, definitely. I think the market is evolving. You are seeing more and more disbursements taking place now since Q2, and Q3, Q4 are the main quarters for microfinance business, and you will see much more disbursement happening. The companies which have adequate capital and supply of fund from various banks and sources, they will continue to grow. The companies which are struggling with capital adequacy might go for consolidation. We might see some consolidation at the bottom of the pyramid in terms of the MFI landscape. But otherwise, I think the companies which have adequate capital like us and who have a robust collection mechanism, robust underwriting practice, they will continue to grow. We are ourselves looking at a diversification strategy. We are looking at, apart from the group loan business, expanding our non-group loan business to around 35% of our AUM in the long run. So we have introduced 3 products, which is individual loans, gold loans, and as well as loan against property. And we are seeing good traction in that and good repayment track record also. So definitely we will continue to grow. We are anticipated to grow around 20% this financial year. We are very confident that we will achieve that this year, and going forward also we'll continue to grow at 20-25%.
Morning, Mr. Saeed. This is Shrishti also joining in. But can you elaborate on your diversification plans, and especially beyond the group loans, and how these new products will be contributing to your growth targets?
So we are looking at leveraging our existing branches only. We are not opening new branches. From the existing branch infrastructure, we will be diversifying and offering these additional products. So we have around 1,718 branches today. We have also looked at some of the branches which are less productive and which do not contribute to the bottom line. We are looking at consolidating those branches, and at the same time we have entered into markets like Assam, we have entered into Andhra, Telangana last year. So we will be deepening our representation there, and definitely we will continue to grow. So overall, I think from an investment point of view, it will be a steady state kind of a affair, but more would be leverage from the existing infrastructure, looking at our existing customers who have a good repayment track record to offer to them more products. So we have identified our 3.4 million customers. There are around 440,000 customers who have a credit score of more than 730 plus. We are looking at offering more products to those customers depending upon their needs. We have developed our underwriting model using generative AI, using tech, and using aggregator platform. We are underwriting those customers and giving them better offers and better products. So that's how we will scale and we will diversify.
Okay, so that's as far as your diversification plans are concerned. But Mr. Saeed, how are you identifying and targeting high quality borrowers within your existing portfolio, and what new products are you tailoring for them?
Yeah, I think that's very important. If you look at how the microfinance industry has progressed, the industry was focusing on financial inclusion and mostly focusing on first-time borrowers. But as I think with the help of government and Jandan, Aadhaar, and mobile penetration, the reach has been really significant now, and almost 8 crore households are being serviced by microfinance institutions. And bottom of the pyramid, I think a good amount of excess of credit has been created. Now the evolution is to move from just one services to multiple services. So look at financial inclusion to take it to the next step, which is like a meaningful financial inclusion, and giving credit to the customer in a manner that she is able to build some business. I think that is what at Muthoot we are also trying to do that. In our presentation, we have also given an example of one of our customer, Elizabeth, which is based out of Kerala, Vaipin. She was a small-time entrepreneur, and for the first time, we gave her a loan of 25,000 in 2018. At that time, her income was only 6,000 rupees per month. But as we moved forward, in today, she is earning 60,000 rupees per month, and we have given her an individual loan. She is running her own paper bag making business, and she's employing people in her family and outside as well. So that is the story that will play out. Microfinance will really help entrepreneurs to go forward and kind of progress into a kind of a meaningful financial inclusion agenda that the government wants to take forward to. So I think there will be a great boost to the MSME, micro or nano MSME business that we are trying to build.
All right, Mr. Saeed, so good and so inspiring to hear about that particular story, how small businesses are definitely scaling up. But so good having you on the channel. Thank you so much for your time. But with this, it's time to slip into a very short break. Don't go anywhere. As we come right back, we'll be speaking with the management of Gulf Oil.